Boom. All right, so this is a Canon 7D. It's like a 20-year-old camera, meaning it kind of, well, it's not that the camera sucks, but it's old. At the same time, I've won 2 Continental Awards using this thing. So definitely photography in itself is a skill thing. If you give a stupid brush to Michelangelo, he'll still kick your ass. Even if you have the latest brush, huh? Oh, that's okay. Did you say that's a lie? This Santa Claus never. Okay, all right, great. There's a battery I have here for it. So the reason I'm not having you use the Canon 90D, this it's a bit beat up, but that's the latest Canon DSLR. The reason I'm having you not use this is the basics. The basics I better learned on a basic camera. This thing helps you in ways where you won't be able to find all those things everywhere. You know what I mean? It's got a touch screen. Not all cameras are touch screen. It's got like auto blah blah, which is good, but not. If you let it help you too much, you won't know cameras. Okay, great.
You know, I used to do pictures way back.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, excellent. So this is auto mode. All right. So come by me. All right. So yeah, like essentially here, what you do is hold the camera with me. You see this little button?
Yes.
A half press is to focus. When the square cut becomes green, it's focused. Full press is to shoot.
Okay.
Now do that to me.
Okay.
Half press to focus. The button is a bit forward.
Oh, yeah.
A half press to focus. It worked? Did it work?
It did. But
Yeah.
your pose is
My
just
pose? The very first picture. Okay, good. Okay, excellent. Now do it to her.
Okay.
Okay, oops. In order to turn on that thing again, the screen again,
Okay.
do this. Now half press to focus, and then full press to shoot. Okay, good. Excellent. Alright, that came out good. That came out good. Alright, excellent. So, I'm going to give you a bit of posing theory. Like somehow, strangely enough, if you learn this secret sauce, which I'm telling you in a short time, you might be able to beat like half the continent just from these simple like odd things I'm telling you. So, shoot, now our model has gone. I was gonna show you posing theory,
Okay.
but here's the idea. What you're trying to get in a photo is diagonal lines. Generally, the more diagonal lines that you can get in a photo, the more beautiful or the more aesthetic it seems. It means that you pose your subject for angles. Do you see? This, right, is less interesting than this, is less interesting than this, is less interesting than this, and maybe it's less interesting than. Do you see? But all I'm doing is sort of just making myself diagonal, and then like I want you to do that with the model, but I'll tell you what. Suppose since the model is gone, you have me. So I'm going to stand in a normal pose, and then you're going to just make me super diagonal. Then you're going to the light. You're going to pose me. Pose me. No, well, first pose me before you focus and shoot, right?
So. Okay. You have a watch, right? Okay. So. And then I want you to.
Okay, good.
Okay. It's refusing to take.
Are you pressing the right button?
Yes.
Okay, is it becoming green? Only when it's green will it take, because only when it's green. It's focused. That's green? If you press before it's green, it won't take. Okay, good. Alright, let's see how that came out. Okay, good. So I want you to pose me more. Like meaning make more, use different parts of my body to create more angularity. And like diagonal lines.
Okay.
Come. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the sauce.
Okay. We will try the face down. Does that work?
The face down, yeah, that's fine. Okay, good.
Let's see.
Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay, so basically, like if you know that rule, you can make infinite poses for no reason without looking at pictures on the internet, right? Randomly in the middle of nowhere in the desert or something, you can make the pose work. So here's the thing. Do it again. I want you to do it another maybe 3 times.
Different poses.
Different poses. But I want you to create the pose, not remember.
Okay. Can you face other side? Yeah.
Where are the diagonals?
Yeah.
Make my body do something diagonal. Something to make a diagonal line, an angled line, rather than just a straight line.
What can we do?
There's many ways.
That would look very gay. But okay, let's try.
That would look very gay.
Yeah, but
I'm just beautiful. But I think, like, honestly, the squareness in my head will save me from anything. No, it's okay. I'll tell you what. You're using me as a model so that you can know what to do. Literally, even at the next party you go to, you'll be able to take better pictures on the phone just because you know how to make the person's body rest in the right place. So come and show me what to do. Like I don't know anything.
okay, let's see. What can we do? You're too formal. Why are you
Oh, she's doing a lesson with me how to take photos.
Let's see.
What is a diagonal? I wanna ask, just to make sure you're tracking. What is a diagonal line?
Do you want me to use your body to bend over, do something, make it interesting?
Yes. I wanna actually ask about this particular word, diagonal. What is a diagonal line? Okay. So, let me show you. All right, so this is a straight line. You see? We were looking at it was just straight. If I do this, it's a diagonal because it's not straight. It's not straight like this, and it's not straight like this. So when I'm saying to you, make diagonals, what I'm saying is make not straight.
That's what I say.
Huh?
Do you know the
I'm not
difference
gay.
is that you are so unique.
I'm so unique?
Exactly. You see.
Yay.
But you're allowed to sit down, right?
Yes.
So Let's try that.
Okay, good.
I feel like. Oh, you're gonna take. Okay.
When you see me standing perfectly straight, all I'm saying is bend the straight parts of me. Move Gum's bag.
Okay. Okay. Go.
Okay, good. All right, fine. So, all right. So adjust my pose.
Same pose.
Adjust my pose. Change it.
Can do that.
This.
Yes. Cross your legs
Okay, good.
like this.
Shoot. I think it's a little too tight. I'm a little too fat from Christmas. So let me try.
Okay.
All right, fine. Okay, good. All right, excellent. Let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, to view the pictures,
Yeah.
is this little media button. That's a much better pose than this. There's more. There's more diagonal lines, not straight. This is better than this. Okay, good. So on this pose, I want you to. So you put down the camera, right? Adjust my pose, but then I want you to adjust it, and then adjust it, and then adjust it, and then adjust it until you can't adjust it anymore, and I don't know. But I want you to adjust me, and then adjust me, and then adjust me. I want you to take it to the furthest extent of adjusting. If that makes sense. Just adjust me until you can't think of anything anymore.
Pose.
Not necessarily this pose, anything. But I want you to feel free to change my body. Do you see?
Okay.
So, adjust my pose.
This is really hard. Can try this.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Further.
Yes.
No, wait. Get more. Adjust my pose more now. Because this is step one, but there's a theoretical step 2, step 3, step 4. Do it more.
So we should change again.
Not change pose. The same pose, but with more diagonal lines. Meaning I can also do this. I can also do this. Yeah, but also I could do this. Do you see it's still the same pose, but you're just moving my body parts.
Okay.
So move my body parts so that it can become more angular, more angles. Less straight lines.
So let's change the legs, because
Change the legs.
add more
Okay, good.
fingers. Just
All right, good. No, but I want you to go even further. I want you to keep going, because I want that freedom of changing.
okay.
Of pose.
Let's add the
Okay,
hair.
good. Yeah.
Yes. There's nothing else. We can add a little smile with teeth. Exact.
Okay, good. Go for it.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Brilliant. The only odd thing might be the light, but honestly speaking, it's a more expressive photo. It's a less simple photo, and it's not like a passport photo where I'm just looking at you like this.
Okay.
Do you see?
Yes.
I'm happy about this. End of lesson.